Jacob. This is Jacob. Kidding? Jacob and Gabriel, no? Okay, please stay with me. Kuya. Kuya Einstein is the elder brother of the birthday celebrant. Of course, with him, si Miss Amanda. And kisa si Jacob, nakalimot naman ko. Jacob is Kining. And Gab. Okay, Gab, kumusta? Mangutan ako, kumusta inyong performance tonight?
Okay naman.
First time niyo mo nga di-perform, kauban na yung igagaw?
Second up.
Ikaduha. So, kumusta tong first di mong pag-perform mo karon? Asa mas nindot nga sayo ang katong nauna o karon gabi una?
Nindot man ang duwa?
Nindot ang duha. Okay. Kung mo request mate mo sayo kaagad, pwede na. Usa lang. Ha? Okay, kanta na lang. Kanta na lang ka. Alright, in 3, 2, 1, go! Happy birthday to you. Come on! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Buster, go! Happy birthday. Okay, last 30 minutes. Come on! Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Gabriel. How about a big round of applause? Okay, kiss mo na. Go! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Na-surprise ba ka? Thank you so much.